Hello, friends, my dear students. This is my fourth lecture on the topics of periodic classification of class 11. Now, Dovenius concept we studied previously three lectures. This was my fourth lecture. पहले हमें याद करना पड़ेगा कैसे पीरियडिसिटी इज द फंक्शन ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग एटॉमिक मास मीन्स हमारे केमिकल और फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज पे चेंज होगा हमारा मास के हिसाब से, ठीक है ना। वो हमने देख चुका है एल्कली मेटल में, हेलोजेंस में और रेयर अर्थ मेटल। अभी आप हम पढ़ेंगे आज आयरन के बारे में, ठीक है ना। Iron, cobalt, and nickel. There, Dovenius calculated his theoretical values, which is very much in line to the experimental observations. So, atomic number iron is 26, yes, 27 and 28. Let's take an about the atomic mass. It is 55.845. Yes, 845 units, atomic mass units. And cobalt is nothing but 58.93. Yes. And what about the nickel? Is 58.71 atomic units. Like, और हमें ये चीज भूलना नहीं चाहिए कि आपका डी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट है, ठीक है। क्या ये डी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट है, ठीक है। इसमें ट्रांजिशन भी होगा। ये एक्सपेरिमेंटल ऑब्जर्वेशन वैल्यूज, ऑब्जर्वेशन ऑब्जर्वेशन, ठीक है। Now, as like before in the lecture 3 also, we have to take the mean of atomic mass of the first element plus mean of atomic mass of the third element, first and third. When we take first and third, we can take out the average. Then if the values will come closer to this or this exact number, then it is correlating the, now we are calculating the theoretical values. Let's see. Atomic mass of cobalt, what is cobalt here? 55.845 plus 58.71 atomic mass unit. So what you get it at that time, you can just calculate it somewhere. 55 point, let's say I'll give the nearest values 5, 58.71 I'll take 6, 5, 14, 11. Now I divide it by 2. 2 5 is a 10, 1 14, 2 7 is a 14, 5, here is a point, 2 2 is a 4, 1, 6, 2 8 is 16. So the nearest value I got it. Approximate value, that is 57.28 atomic mass unit. ठीक है। Now when you compare this particular theoretical value, और ये theoretical values है, क्या है ये हमारा theoretical values, ठीक है। ये हमको जो कैलकुलेट करा, मैंने क्या करा, ये डोविनियस ने ये theoretical कैलकुलेट कर, ये आपको डोविनियस का मिल चुका था जो एक्सपेरिमेंटल वैल्यूज, तो इन्होंने जिस करने का कंपेयर करा इससे, तो 57.20 इज वेरी क्लोज टू एक्सपेरिमेंटल वैल्यूज ऑफ द कॉपर। तो यहां तक उन्होंने लगभग सही करा है मेटल का, आपका आयरन, कोबाल्ट एंड निकल का। ये आपका मेनली वो ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट में पड़ता है, ये भी आपका कॉपर वगैरह की प्रॉपर्टी सिमिलर होता है। Up to here he contrasted 57.58. Okay, then copy the notes. They may ask in the exam also. You have to write very short. You have to remember atomic number and atomic mass and how to calculate. I have told you. First mean point of the atomic mass of the first element, and second mean of the atomic mass of the third element. Then you have to take their average. Simply take out the mathematical class and then you divide it by 2, and you'll ultimately land up with the value that should be very close to the experiment. This one theoretical. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel as ever. Cooperate with me, share with your friends, and like my channel. It really boosts my energy. अच्छा लगता है आप लोग के साथ इंटरेक्शन कर, because I am also get learning, because many of the atomic number we easily get forgotten. So when I share your knowledge with you, you share your knowledge, and please write in the comment box what are the feedback, और सर ये नहीं समझा वो समझा, then I'll try to focus on that particular issues, then share it with your friends and cooperate with me as ever. Thank you then. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.